Hey fam, welcome back to my channel Update Savvy. Microsoft has finally announced a Windows Calculator graphical mode features to the public. Earlier they have released to the insider in January. The graphical mode in a calculator has some superb feature, but before proceeding to the video, let me tell you one thing, that you must have a Windows 10 2020 update and the latest version of Windows Calculator to access this feature. I hope you all have the Windows 10 May 2020 update. If you don't have, please watch my previous videos. I have shown you how to install the latest version. Okay, let's jump into the videos. So the Windows user who have used the calculator previously, in fact it is quite messy, but now it has some cool features which you might never notice. Like you can make it very tiny with clicking this, keep on the right, so you can see this is becoming very small, and you can just do the calculation and it will be always on the top of any menu. So if I just go here and just and click any other, so it will be always on the top of the window, so you can see here. Okay, and then the another feature is you can extend it, the view of it, so then you can see all the calculations. So just extend it. You can go to the standard version and then you can just extend it, so you can see all the calculations here. And then on the left menu you can see there are other options like currency. So if I type something, and this is also very beautiful feature, it is always, you can see it take a time to load, so it is always updated from the exchange with the updated rate. So if I just type $7 is 2.63 euro. And another feature will be the volume. You can make the temperature. So there are a lot of options you can see on the left menu. You can use it. But today we are going to talk about the coolest feature of the calculator recently updated. So this is the graphing. I just click over here and just little bit wider. Now you can see this is the user interface of it. So I just press here and just give log x and then press enter. So you can see the beautiful graph. So if I hover just over the expression, so you can see the lot of other features, which is the analyze function, which I tell you later. So first you can see here, so I can just hide the equation. So now it is hiding. You can't see this anymore drawing here. So just unhide it back. So the other feature is analyze function, where you can see all the details regarding this expression you have written. So the domain, range, intercept, minimum, maximum. So now you can see the another features, which will be the coloring of it. So if I just want to change to the color of it, so you can see now it is becoming the pink color and the plum light. Okay, and then another feature is to just remove the equation here. So I just put it again just to make it understand better, and I just press it. I just draw something more, maybe I just write 5, so you can see one more line here, 6, then here. So you just keep on doing and it will drawing. So all the colors you can change here, you can hide from here, unhide, and then you can go on. But let's focus on the function which we were previously doing here. Okay, so I just delete all. So now just little bit modify this equation here. I just write something, maybe I write x plus 5, and then you can see the graph is becoming on the left side to the 5, and then little bit twist more on the algorithm. So suppose I write trigonometric, I write the sine x, and then you can just enter here. So you can see the line. Let me just do the refresh view automatically. Okay, so I just refresh it, so let me make it a little bit larger here, and then you can see, and I can hide it, unhide. Okay, so now just play a little bit more with this. So I just do something like this. I just give ax plus b plus c. So now you can see what I want to show you. You can see here in the background, if I just remove this, so now the value of a, b, and the c. So you can just increase it from here. You can see the values keep changing, and you can also make it the right, left, then again ups and down. This is really cool feature. So the user who are using the mathematical terms for the graphical picture. So one last thing, if you go and see there is a rounded corner every function or the option they have provided. So you can see this, they are very beautiful. So if you just decorate it well, so even if you go here, the plus, minus, refresh, so they are quite beautifully designed. So if you like my video fam, please subscribe my channel Update Savvy and share this video with your mathematician friend. Thank you.